Hi everyone, welcome to Kitchen Brand Store. We are looking at Hindware's Navio 60 auto clean chimney, which is in stainless steel. Also comes with 60 and 90 centimeters both options. Right, so we are just going to have a look at what are the content inside. So we are just opening, so you can say it is coming with plastic oil collector tray, and this is your installation kit. Right, coming with manual as well. Right, so let me pull this out from the box. This is the content inside, so you would be able to see this color of this chimney. If it is looking greenish or bluish to you, this is a film actually which has to be removed after the installation has been completed. And this comes with the pipe which would expand up to 4.5 to 5 feet, and this is a PVC pipe. So let me pull this out from the box, and let me power this on and show you how does it work. So this is connected now. You can see the LED showing here, so timer etc. you can see. So what we can do is we can try to turn this on, right? So there is no motion sensor actually, so I had this habit of swiping the hand, but this is having no motion sensor, so that is why it did not turn on. And this is coming with baffle filter, so let me show you this is coming with baffle filter, right? The filter over here installed, so single baffle filter is available with this chimney, and this can go up to 1200 suction power, and the maximum noise level is 5800 section. The glass which is given on top of this, the curved glass, is transparent one, right? And the black front panel, right? So I'm just going to turn on. So fan speed 1, you can already hear the noise. Fan speed 2, right? Fan speed 3. So this is the maximum suction power which it can work upon. LED lights on and off. This is the auto clean function. So with this chimney is coming with heat auto clean function, right? With baffle filter. This is not a filter glass, this is coming with baffle filter, and you need to change the filters after the oil dripping starts, or also you need to clean the filter regularly as well, right? So for auto cleaning, what you can do is the oil collector tray should be installed over here like this. This is the way, right? So this is installed. So what you are going to do is you are going to just press on this button, and the heat auto clean would take place. So after some time, what it is going to do is it is going to melt all the oil and greasy part inside the filter or the motor etc., and then it is going to collect inside this tray, right? So this is what it is. I wanted to be very specific. Some customers are confused about this film. So this is actually SS color, but it looks green because this film has to be removed when the installation. So this is purposefully given for avoiding any kind of scratch on the body, right? So this is what it is, a Navio 60. This also comes in 90 centimeters. You can also go for the Clio model, which is a retail version. The Navio is the online version, right? So if you have any more questions, please let us know in the comment section, or if you want to know any other product, if you want to see any other product real life video, please also let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
Ba ba da ba ba.